Hi everybody, welcome to Pop-Up Cantonese. I'm Brendan, and welcome to Critical Phrases Lesson 3.
Yeah, in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say, I don't understand, and ask people to repeat themselves.
But before we start this lesson, let's do a quick review of the things we learned in the last lesson.
Right?
Thank you.
多謝
Thanks, handsome.
多謝晒靚仔
Thanks, gorgeous.
多謝晒靚女
Sorry.
對唔住
Please.
唔該
Even though, as I said in the last lesson, Mgoy is like 99% of Cantonese, there's still that 1%.
Yeah.
And that takes us to our first phrase today, I don't understand.
我唔明白
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 I don't understand.
我唔明白
Can we hear that a bit slower?
我唔明白我唔明白
So this is kind of the textbook way of saying, I don't understand.
Right.
But a lot of the time in speech, people actually just leave off that final ba,
Right. They just say 我唔明
which is closer to like, I don't get it.
Right. 我唔明 And you can also leave out the subject too. 唔明
Oh, right? It's something like
yeah.
I don't know.
唔明我唔明白唔明
Sorry, I don't understand.
唔好意思，我唔明白。
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 So let's say you're talking with somebody and, you almost understand,
明白
but you need them to repeat themselves.
Yeah. Then you can say 你可唔可以講多次你可唔可以講多次
Right, so that's a long one, but fortunately we know the second half of it already. It's, I don't understand.
我唔明白
Let's look at the new bit.
你可唔可以講多次
Right, and that means, could you say it again?
你可唔可以講多次
你可唔可以講多次？我唔明白。
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 Now, a similar thing, related meaning that you might want to say, especially if you're like talking to somebody on a bad phone connection or something like that, is, I didn't hear.
我聽唔到
我聽唔到。
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 I didn't hear.
我聽唔到我聽唔到
Please speak a little slower.
唔該講慢啲
唔該講慢啲。
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 Please speak a little slower.
唔該講慢啲。
So, as usual, before we let you go, we're going to run you through one more time all the stuff we learned today. I don't understand.
我唔明白。唔明。
Sorry, I don't understand.
唔好意思，我唔明白。
Could you say it again?
你可唔可以講多次？
I didn't hear.
我聽唔到。
Please speak a little slower.
唔該講慢啲。